We have a Culligan AC30 reverse osmosis water system here. The water tank is totally waterlogged and it's like 20 years old, so we bought a replacement for that as well. Make sure that we turn off the water. So first thing I'm going to do is I remove this water tank, which weighs about 20 pounds. It's super heavy. This is a quick connect fitting, so we're going to push this in, and then we're going to hold that tab in. You can pull that tube out. I've already removed this, so that's why this is loose. So then you can drain your tank before you dispose of it. Leaking. So I ended up buying this plastic poly tubing at Lowe's, and that's doing the trick, but I did have to replace all of the washers. I bought this pack of O-rings at Lowe's. This is 3/8 inner diameter, and that fits that 3/8 diameter poly tubing. Replaced the one on the nozzle here, then I replaced the two up there, and even the O-ring on the new inline filter was leaking, so I had to replace that as well.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.